Hey guys, so in this video I will be installing a PCV valve, or I thought. Had some complications with it just being old and dry rotted. Really didn't get to finish the task. We're going to wind up installing a catch can on the car just due to how hard it was to get to the PCV system. Anyways, please enjoy the video and on to the next one.
Alright, so we got a couple of things going on today. Still got an oil leak. So I think we got a PCV problem. So let's go look at what I just bought. I think I got everything clean. As clean as it's going to get. So let me go get the PCV. And let's see here. So here's our PCV valve from Morales. Let's see what we got. Take our PCV out. It should shake. That's how we know pretty much our check valve's working like it is. So I'm getting in the car, take out the old PCV, and I hope it doesn't shake. If it shakes, then it's probably not PCV. But if it's clogged up and then no rattling, then we know that's probably our fix. Because we are blowing out seals still. And it didn't occur to me what the issue could be until I realized I replaced every seal on this car. Why does it keep blowing out seals? Why does every seal leak? I just blamed it on being old. Well, probably because we're not letting any of our gases blow by back into the car. So let's do that and let you know what happens. Alright, let's see what happens. I got me a little mat. I kind of did some pre-cleaning on it. This is a 2000 Honda Civic. Still got the D series. As you can see, it's kind of what I'm chasing. That little bit of that is from the what you want to call it, the brake cleaner I used, but not all of it. We've been leaking out of here. So what we have here, this might be more difficult than I thought, is that canister, that black canister. There's an oil filter. That black canister has a nipple on the side of it. And you kind of see the side, see that tube right there? That tube goes straight to our PCV valve. So pretty sure that one does. It appears to. So I got to get to it. I thought I can do it on camera. I am not going to be able to. And I'm going to take it out, and that's the one we're going to see if it rattles. So let me try to get to it. We got it out. That was absolutely horrible. I will not put that back in. I don't care. I just don't care. This was hard as a rock. So the fitting broke in there. I couldn't get it out. I couldn't get to the top bolt because it's an intake manifold. Hate that thing. Let's see. So let me get a light. Where's the light? So that hole right there is where it vents, but there was a bolt holding it above, and you see that hole there, and then we got a fitting somewhere up there. I'm so irritable. I'm so mad right now. I spit fire. So this is the other side. Don't even know if it's clogged up because it broke. I would chunk this too, but I need the hose. I don't get mad, but this is the worst design I've ever seen in my life. This is horrible. I'll show you if any poor SOB wants to do this. First, I had to use this. No, to find the bolt, I used that. Then I had to use this like slight swivel to give this enough angle, but I didn't have my deep well at first. I had a shallow. Finally found a deep well, put it on there. Finally got the brake, but by then I just decided to break the SOB. Bottom bolt was easy. I'm not putting it back on. I'm gonna put a catch can. This thing's gonna get turbo like parts in, so just a daily driver. Anyways, I'm mad. This is Mike, and I'll talk to y'all later.